I'm okay. Oh, look above you, look above you, look above you. Oh, right there, right there. Oh shit, lizard. Yep. Is he trying to jump?
There's a big one.
I'm so glad I bought these.
Is he trying to jump?
Is it this one good?
Yeah.
Maybe.
There's so much food.
Hey, look. The lizard. Go below, it'll jump on your head.
Hey, that's so cool. I'm gonna need all video and photos afterwards. 'Cause my phone's staying in the bag. Did you not spray?
I feel like a ninja. This is cool. Never done this.
Never done this. This is a next level fun. Yeah, I'm telling you, this is actually fucking fun. I don't know about the girl, but this one's actually fucking
Yeah, do you like this one?
cool. This one's okay.
This one's
My
okay.
level.
We'll see how it is like farther out down the line, right? As we keep going.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll get too hard. Like, do we have to go in the water at all for this one?
You can always scramble higher. That's the thing.
This is where you're like seriously disadvantaged to being cool.
Where is it?
Yeah, it's in the gap there. Oh, it's gone.
No. Yeah, put everything in your bag.
It was in the side pocket. I forgot it. Sure.
Come on. You did it? That's it.
Come on, two.
Because I thought they won't go swim. I will just bucket.
Maybe another way. Yeah.
Yes.
Watch it go.
No, this way's harder.
Yeah, I think this one's actually.
1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2. 1. Damn, fuck. Yo, give me some warning. You might jack me down too. I got it. Just grab my hand. Yep.
He's good as long as the film is okay.
As long as the film's okay, yeah.
Yeah. He's like he's dead. He's just like blood, sweat in, and all stuff like that.
Photographer.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. Luckily, I was stuck for this. Yeah. How are you feeling, Chelsea?
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Wait, so Chelsea, are you and Ming acquaintances or?
No,
so Liz. Liz, okay.
Yeah, Lizzie.
Yeah, you need your upper torso to
Yeah, I don't know if I can go this way.
I'm okay at it.
哇，好好玩喎！
Yeah, fun.
Yeah.
It's very
I like that.
quite challenging,
Shit, what is
but
this?
interesting. It's like solving a puzzle, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go that way.
I win the award for the least graceful climb.
I don't think we can be very graceful.
Ironic, really.
Oh no, I think I can.
Yeah, that's why I went over instead.
That's fine, I'll help you.
Okay. No, that's fine. That's fine. Shit, I have to go up again.
Yeah.
Here, wait for you.
Should I come?
Oh.
I think it's easier to come up here.
Yeah?
You know, all of you, just come up here. Yeah, like wait.
You think he's better?
Okay, okay.
Yeah, this way's fine. Uh-oh.
Wow, you're good at this, Grace.
Hey.
Grace is actually good.
I hope we get through this without any, serious injuries.
Phải đi xịt gió.
You're right?
I think I'm okay. Yeah.
Take this one.
Oh, OK 嘅，OK 嘅，接受到嘅。你
I don't think it's slippery at all. So.
No, but it should be right there.
This is a pretty difficult one, well, compared to the last one.
One like this is difficult. Yeah. I
Yeah.
thought you guys are okay because I saw the way you guys climbed around.
Yeah, I'm okay.
They're gonna make it down there.
Oh, it is nice down here. Wow, it's like, what, 10 degrees, 5 degrees colder. I'm worried we're gonna get stuck here.
Yeah, I know. But where is it? Oh no, it's okay.
Is there a way?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I kind of just want to stay in here.
Just want to sit in there.
I know, it's so nice.
So much better.
Ah,
Ooh.
it is a little bit tricky getting down here though.
Yeah.
Can someone help?
Okay.
Oh yeah.
You know what to do, so? Like, put a bike on that rock. That's just
This one?
No, that one. Yeah, and you can, if you can reach it, yep. Just use your body, yep. Use your body weight. And just take it one at a time. You use that lug. Take your time, don't panic.
What did you do?
I put one leg here and try to reach here. But if not, you can use this as a seatbelt.
Yeah, use their arm, yep. And
Let's
then
see.
put your two.
Careful, this rock is slippery. It's wet a little bit, so.
Left leg.
I won't need to film for a while. You're tired, man.
I'm good, man. Do I have a shoe print on my back?
You have a what?
A shoe print.
No. Tree block?
Shoe prints. I use my back to give her legs some extra space. Huh? I'm good. I think Harvey, you can keep going. I think we're good to.
I'm just gonna wait for her as well.
Okay.
And they're having a show time.
This is very awkward.
So it's easier with two hands.
Very awkward.
Actually, if you do the same thing, you can grab your hand and just pull you over.
My finger's twitching.
No, don't do like that. No, you have to.
Oh, of course it stops when I film it.
Not. Do a drop like this. So 55.
I see.
No, I think that for you, one leg. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Sorry, 1, 2. Wow.
Oh, that's smart. That's smart. That's smart.
Oh, it's way too hot. I forgot how much I hate heat.
Oh, this is hot.
I realized I forgot to bring my batteries, so I didn't get to record the whole thing, but it kind of looks like we're gonna end here because this part's kind of impossible without going in the water, and not everyone can swim. So, and Harvey tried to go up there and go around, but there's like a waterfall, small one, like in between those two rocks, so it's like impossible to cross that. So looks like we're probably just gonna be going back around, back the way we came, maybe. I don't know, we'll see.